They say start YouTube if you're in your 50s, but also start YouTube if you're an artist. So here I am, I'm turning up. Now, I haven't scripted this and I'm just going to go for it. They also say that no one watches your first lot of videos. So I thought rather than overcomplicate things and spend a lot of time, I thought I'll just go with the flow and we'll see how it turns out. My aim for this video is to basically reset my studio today and tell you what I've been up to and what I'm currently working on as a oil painter starting out in my small business. For 2025, I decided that I wanted to set myself a good habit. So for 10 minutes every morning, I just sketch. I'm really not too worried about if it's ugly or what I'm actually creating. I am just having fun before the day starts. Now, I'm very fortunate that I have been able to change my dining room into my studio. Cleaning is probably my least favourite job, but there are certain things that I absolutely love doing. I'm very lucky to be a part of an artist-run gallery, and these two pieces that I'm about to get ready are for the Resolution exhibition, which is going to be happening from tomorrow. Just between you and me, the sun on this is actually still wet. Now, I have ADHD tendencies, that means that sometimes I thrive on that last-minute rush, and it's all part of the creative process for me. Who else finds this working under this pressure brings out their best ideas? Let me know in the comments. Then I shoot over to the next town and help them with the hang. I feel very fortunate to be part of such an inspiring community of creatives. Being a part of a collective gives me deadlines of getting work done by a certain date, which also helps my creative process. Then it's back home to finish off this digital portrait. I don't do much digital work these days. With AI coming up, I feel it's very hard to prove that I've hand-drawn something like this when you've got apps out there that can do it for people within seconds. But I was approached about doing a few pieces for an individual, and I accepted the commissions. Every day I try and get out into some sunlight, which is made easier in the fact that I've got dogs, so I have to take them out for a walk as well. Then it's back in the studio to finish a oil painting commission. Next week I have been given the opportunity to have the window space in the gallery, which gives me about a 2-meter shelf to show all my work. And I'm currently planning what I want to take with me, whether I want it to be just my wildlife or if I want it to be my wildlife and my Skelly work. I will probably do a completely different, not completely different, a separate video all about that and about the hang. So if I've done that, you will see it here and you'll be able to follow that for next time. Well, thank you very much for keeping me company. As my first vlog, that wasn't too bad. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to film it all in one day because my dog actually broke her foot. So this has been compiled between two, which is why you're seeing a funny talk over at the moment. But hopefully I'll catch you next time. Thank you for keeping me company.